Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are trying to log in your Snapchat account and you are facing this problem, something went wrong, please try again later. Support code C14A. Guys, I will tell you some solutions how to fix this problem. First of all guys, check your internet connection is available or not and turn on flight mode here, and after few seconds turn back off here. Guys, turn off from here, and next method is long press on Snapchat application. Here guys, now tap on app info. Here wait for few seconds. Here tap on force stop. Tap on it. Here guys, now tap on OK. Here guys, now tap on storage and caches and tap on clear storage. Clear storage from here. Okay, go back from here. Now guys, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and background data turn on from here. Here guys, now turn on from here and go back. Here guys, now close this window and open Play Store and update Snapchat application once time. Here guys, I have already updated my Snapchat application. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.